Hi, welcome aboard Mary P, listed for sale with Billy Smith of Merle Wood and Associates. She is a 122-foot sport fishing yacht built by Trinity in 2009. She was custom designed and built for a very experienced couple and is ABS classed, which is very rare for a sport fish of this size. This luxury yacht sleeps up to 8 guests and 4 staterooms and has accommodations for 4 crew. She has a beam of 24 feet, a draft of 6.5 feet, and she measures in at 255 gross tons. Her hull is aluminum and decks are all aluminum and were designed by Doug Sharp of Sharp Designs. Her interior design is by Judy Bell Davis of Bell Design Group, and her exterior styling was by Jeff Van Aller at Trinity. Mary P's cockpit is a world-class showcase of sportfish design and technology. She has a hydraulically operated fighting chair that swivels and articulates via a handheld remote control. This allows the angler to be moved across the 24 feet of beam with ease while keeping the fishing line from dragging across the transom. She's got toe kicks that hide the freeing ports. These freeing ports are oversized for ABS classification. She's got a reverse chine that allows her to back down on fish much faster. Her live wells have removable tuna tubes so you can fish for whatever you'd like with live bait. For safety and convenience, her capstans are high and in the corners of the cockpit. Forward, we have a bait prep station, a 600-pound ice machine, and a hidden barbecue. Her non-skid deck has no teak, which is easier to maintain and cooler. Teak covering boards can easily be added should the new owner want them. Her engine room has a 6-dog watertight door per ABS class. Mary P has a max range of 4,000 miles at displacement speeds, and her max speed is 25 knots. She cruises comfortably at 18 to 23 knots, depending on fuel load. She is propelled by twin Caterpillar 3512 engines rated at 2,550 horsepower each. And last but not least, she's got quantum MAGLift stabilizers for stability at speed, anchor, and while fishing. The aft deck is one of the most used places on board. It has shade, comfortable seating, and you can still see the cockpit no matter where you are. It's air conditioned, has misting nozzles, and a big bar with 6 bar stools so you and your friends can watch all the action. Safety features include doors that won't slide by themselves, a galley shutdown and fire control system, and security cameras. She also has hatches over the stairs so you'll stay dry when it's raining. Elevated bulwarks reduce the height of the stainless handrails, and they are isolated with Delron. Her elevated escape hatches are for ABS classification. Her 3,500-pound crane will lift and store a tender over 20 feet if needed, and she's equipped with a 17-foot whaler now. The spring cleats are mounted off the deck and recessed into the bulwarks. Her windlass is designed for 2 anchors. Another great feature is the elevated bulwarks keep the water streaks to a minimum. She's got big deck drains, lockers, and plenty of storage. Below the water, she's got a thruster and forward-facing sonar. The flybridge was specifically designed to have visibility from the bow to the cockpit from the helm. The visibility from the helm station was by design per the owner. Up here, we have total shade, misting nozzles, seating for 10, plus skipper and mate. Mary P's main salon has ample seating for family and guests and features a beautiful one-piece marlin motif carpet. She has oversized windows that come down to almost the tops of the couches to maximize views. Her open tread stairs were specifically designed not to impede the views from any angle. Her big screen TV and electric blackout drapes create a cozy atmosphere for watching your favorite movies. Her custom overheads have oversized air conditioning vents in the reliefs. The high volume air conditioning lowers the noise and velocity of the air coming out for a much more pleasant experience. Mary P's open concept galley was built for entertaining and features oversized windows that offer excellent views for all on board. She boasts massive amounts of below-counter refrigeration. She also has a walk-in freezer and a walk-in pantry. She's equipped with a convection oven, microwave, deep fryer, glass stovetop, and a retractable backsplash. The exceptionally large amounts of storage allow the owner to stay at sea for more than 30 days without provisioning and without refueling. Her large island provides generous amounts of countertop space, and the settee allows guests to all dine together. Mary P's master cabin has a queen-sized bed, a vanity, a cedar-lined walk-in closet, and, per the owner's request, a bedside switch that turns on the espresso machine in the galley. Her full-beam master bath acts as a buffer between the master cabin and the engine room. This size allows her to have a full shower, full tub, toilet, bidet, and copious amounts of countertop space. Everyone's favorite feature on board is the wraparound backlit etched glass that creates the feeling of being underwater or in a grotto. Mary P has a VIP suite and 2 additional guest cabins. While she is a sportfish, she is a true yacht in every sense of the word. Every cabin has its own full bath with a separate stall shower with seating for safety. Additionally, every door is equipped with gaskets, which greatly reduces noise. Each guest cabin has independent climate control to suit everyone's needs and preferences. The starboard guest cabin can be converted into a gym so you can stay fit while at sea. Here we are on the bridge, which doubles as a sky lounge. This creates a tri-deck yacht out of a sportfish. In the aft section of the upper deck, you'll find a low wraparound couch, more large windows just like the main salon, a big TV, and a dayhead. The separation of this deck allows the nighttime visibility to be greatly enhanced and provides plenty of privacy. The helm is fully equipped with the latest electronics and navigation equipment. Thank you for joining us on Mary P. Please contact your broker for more information.